What is up, guys? It's Mike here, and here is the final review for Mix 11 for the singles. Alright, so this is probably going to be my shortest review for Mix 11 with the singles. This truck, there's really not much I can say about it. But anyway, here it is. Soldier Fortune Black Ops, the Legacy trucks. Really cool. I mean, I like Soldier Fortune. I think this truck looks good, but out of this whole entire Mix 11, it is put up against some trucks that just are not fair against it. And with that being said, obviously Legacy trucks, it comes, I guess, with a black wristband, which if it is a black wristband, this is the second time we are seeing that in this mix. And then of course you got the Gravedigger, you got Dragon, you got Batman, the Ride Truck, Alien Invasion, Raising King, Scavenger, and Bounty Hunter. So very interesting to put this truck in this mix. This mix was very strong, so yeah. Kind of interesting too that we got Soldier Fortune in Legacy trucks, because I believe in the last mix we just got Soldier Fortune, the normal truck, with Legacy. So very interesting they decided to go with both those trucks back to back like that. Kind of weird, but maybe just it was kind of like one of those things like, okay, let's get this out early in the beginning of the year and not at the end of the year. But with that being said, let's take a closer look at this truck. I'm kind of intrigued to see how it looks out of the packaging, because I do like this truck. So let's take a look and open this thing up. Alright, so here it is, the Soldier Fortune Black Ops edition and the Legacy trucks. So as you guys know by now, all these trucks come with a wristband, and this truck does come with a black wristband, which, oh wait, does it say its name? Nope, it says Monster Jam. So I believe this is the first time this year that we're seeing only one truck in the mix come with a wristband that says its name, and that of course is Gravedigger. So that's unique. This is also the second black wristband in this mix. And here is the truck itself. So Soldier Fortune Black Ops, we saw this truck last year in a double pack with Soldier Fortune near the beginning or the middle of the year. Then we never saw this truck again. This truck came back as a Fire Edition this year. So this is the second time that we are seeing this truck. And you know, it's a pretty cool truck. I like the whole blackout thing. I do like how it has the BKT on the truck now, or on the tires now. So it's just like the real life truck. However, this mix is really good, and I don't think it's fair to go up against any truck in this mix, because when you look at it, this one's kind of like, it's kind of like the oddball out, if you will. And obviously this does have a black roll cage, black chassis, black rims, and everything else is basically black. So the only difference I can think of from last year with this truck is this truck does have a, I guess, a gloss paint on certain areas, and that's pretty cool. It is kind of glossy in the front, up here, basically all the die cast. And then on the sides here where it says like Soldier Fortune Black Ops, where the American, well, under the American flag, basically like the side skirts, they're a matted black. I don't know if you guys can see that in the video, how it's shining in certain areas and other areas it's not. And then you got the American flag in silver on this side, and you have it in silver on this side as well. So really nothing much to say about this truck. I don't know, this mix is really good. This is definitely not one of my favorite ones in this mix. I mean, it does have a not blacked out windscreen. I mean, there's really nothing much to say. I like the truck. I think it's kind of weird that they did put this truck so close with Soldier Fortune, the original one, to like Legacy trucks. I mean, I'm pretty sure that was in mix 10, so back to back, that kind of makes you wonder, oh, let's just get these out of the way real quick. If this was the El Toro Loco Blackout Edition, this mix would have been like, I don't know what's coming out later this year, but this definitely would have been I mean, it still probably is the best mix of this year, but that would have been really hard to choose the best truck, regardless. But yeah, really the only difference with this truck compared to last year's is some of the graphics are a little better, and honestly has BKT on the tires, which, I don't know, last year if you got 2 El Toro ride trucks, or training trucks, you could have made this truck. So you think of it that way and it's like, yeah, we could have had this last year if we really wanted it, you know, custom or something like that. But with that being said, guys, this is probably the shortest review video because there's really nothing much you can say about this truck other than the fact this is really the second time we're seeing it this year. The first time was its fire and ice counterpart, which it was fire, and that's really it. There's really nothing much more to say. So with that being said, guys, drop a like, let me know in the comments what you think of Soldier Fortune. Decals are updated and the paint's brand new, and that's really it. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow with a list of ranking all these trucks from worst to first.